This video will show you how to make a low-tech communication board using Google Slides. The first thing that you will do is select the Google Apps waffle in the right-hand corner. Then you will select Google Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, up in the left-hand corner, you will select New. And then scroll down until you see Google Slides and select Google Slides. The area you see here is Google Slides, and you're going to click where it says click to add a title to add your first communication object. The first communication object I want to work with is friends, so I'm going to type in friends. And now I'm just going to drag to make the box smaller and to move the box because I don't want it right in the middle of the page. But the text box can be moved anywhere. It can be moved to the bottom, on the top, in the middle, wherever you feel like you want your text box. Next, we do not need the subtitle area. So we're going to click on the subtitle area, and then we're going to delete it. In the upper left-hand corner, select Edit. In the drop-down menu, select Delete. Now that we deleted the subtitle box, let's go back and look at our text. First, we're going to select Friends again. And we're going to highlight the word Friends. To change the font size, you're going to click on the little arrow next to the number. And from the drop-down box, you will choose a size for your font. You can also choose how you want your font to look, if you want it bold, italicized, or underlined. For this example, I want my text to be bold, so I'm going to select B, Bold. Next, we want to add an image to help us visualize our word, so we're going to go up and select Insert. And from the drop-down menu, select Image. On the Insert Image menu, you can choose to upload your own file if you have one, but for this example, we're going to go ahead and search Google Images. So you're going to select Search. Then you will type in the name of the image you are searching for. In my example, I'm going to search for Friends, and then I'm going to click on the blue search button. Sometimes you may not be able to find the perfect image right away, so use the right-hand scroll bar to scroll down to look for more images. Once you find your image, click on that image, and then click on the blue Select button down on the left-hand side. Once you do this, your image will show up on your Google slide, and then you can just drag the box, the image box, to resize it to make sure it's large enough for everyone to see. Once you have your text and image formatted the way you like it, then duplicate the slide so the same format is used for each slide. To duplicate a slide, go up to the menu and click on Slide. And then from the drop-down menu, select Duplicate Slide. Now that I have my duplicate slide, I can create a new word by simply selecting the text box and typing the new word over the old word. This time I'm going to choose a verb like love. Then, of course, I have to change my image to represent the concept of love. So I'm going to click on the image, and I want to delete this image. So I'm going to go up and select Edit. And from the drop-down menu, I'm going to select Delete. And now I will need to find a new image that represents the concept of love. So just as before, I select Insert on the main menu. And then from the drop-down menu, I select Image. I'm going to search Google Images again, so this time I'm going to type in the word love and select the blue search button when I'm done. Remember, if you don't find the perfect image right away, you can use the right scroll bar to scroll down to find more images. Once you find the perfect image, click on that image. And don't forget to click on the blue Select button as well. The image is inserted, and don't forget you can grab the corners to resize the object. Now you are ready to add another new word to your communication board. Go to the menu bar and click on Slide. From the drop-down menu, you're going to select Duplicate Slide. On the duplicate slide, select the text box, highlight the text, and then type in your new word. This time I'm going to choose a noun, apple. After I type in my new word, I need to slide over to the image and click on the image so I can delete it. After the image is selected, move up to the menu bar and select Edit. From the drop-down menu, select Delete. Remember to add an image. From the menu bar, select Insert. From the drop-down menu, select Image. Type in the name of your new word and then click on the blue search button. Click on the image that you prefer, and after selecting the image, click on the blue Select button. Now you have your third word on your communication board. Continue to add words to your new communication board. If you look to the left, you can see that I've added words such as hamburger, dog, pizza. Remember to add words that are useful to your communication board user. And don't forget to add subject pronouns or activities that the communication board user enjoys. And don't forget to add a question or two so that way you can have a real conversation with the communication board user. Now that you have your 9 words on your communication board, you may want to color code your vocabulary. To do this, go to the menu bar and select Slide. And then on the drop-down menu, select Change Background. On the background box, select Color. From the color grid, select the color you would like. Since it's the question, I'm going to color code all my questions in purple. Once I do that, the background now changes to purple, so I can easily identify all my questions. Then I will color code all my activities or verbs in green. And I'll put all my pronouns in yellow. Now that I have my 9 words on my communication board, I'm ready to print. Go up to the menu bar and select File. From the drop-down menu, select Print Settings and Preview. You can print off your communication board as it is with one picture and one word per page to make a print-rich environment. Or you may wish to print multiple words with multiple pictures on one page. To do this, move up to underneath the menu bar and click on the arrow next to one slide without notes. Notice from the drop-down menu the choices you have to print. You can print 2 pictures per slide, 3 pictures per slide, 4 pictures per slide, up to 9 pictures per slide. Since I am making a 9-word communication board, I am going to select 9 pictures per slide. All 9 of my pictures and words are on one slide. Now I can print my communication board. And finally, don't forget to name and then save your communication board. To do this, above the menu bar, click on Untitled Presentation. Type in your new name, and Google Slides will automatically save it for you under your new name.